Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or bag? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution to keep track of your most important items. Gone are the days of frantic searching. These ingenious Bluetooth trackers seamlessly integrate into your life, ensuring peace of mind. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding capability, powered by Ultra Wideband technology. It doesn't just tell you if something's nearby. It guides you with exact distance and direction right to your lost item, like a personal treasure hunt. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously easy. Just one tap with your iPhone instantly pairs it to your device and your Find My network. This seamless Apple ecosystem integration means your AirTags are always connected, leveraging hundreds of millions of Apple devices worldwide to help you find what's lost, even far away. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, your AirTag can handle splashes, spills, and everyday adventures without a hitch. If you're serious about never losing your valuables again, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an essential buy. Find the best current price and more details via the Amazon link in the description below. No other tracker offers this level of precision, effortless setup, and robust network support, making it the smartest choice for protecting your belongings. For anyone seeking the best Bluetooth tracker on the market, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have in 2025. Don't hesitate to grab yours.